Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Rodeway Inn National City San Diego South. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. This National City motel is 1 mile from the US Naval Station San Diego. The motel offers free parking, laundry services and rooms with free Wi-Fi. Guest rooms at Rodeway Inn National City San Diego South include a microwave, a refrigerator and ironing facilities. The rooms are equipped with work desk and cable TV. The Rodeway Inn is within 10 minutes drive of the San Diego Convention Center. The motel is 5 miles from downtown San Diego, which features shopping, dining and entertainment. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.